I'm on this trail in Ridgeland, South Carolina, and there is a gator up here on the side. Hopefully this won't end in some sort of attack, but it's coming up here, and I'm now going to shut up. There's another one out there in the water. I'm not sure how well you can see it. Turtles and it on the board there. They're not all that big here. Somebody had told me that once they get to a certain size, the DNR will take them off to a more appropriate spot. This has got a little trail, a nature trail that goes around the pond, and there's the restaurant there on the side. Jasper's Porch Restaurant. But again, here's a view of the gator by the trail. Oh, he's moving. I guess he's going back in the water. Let's see. Well, he's just going to sit there.